yeah. He brought it home, but to his surprise, the Newt just lay there, he was barely alive. The pet store owner knew what to do. He gave the boy a can of Zippo milk food. Neds, Newt, he's so humongous. Neds, Newt, very precocious. Neds, Newt, he's where the fun is at. He's enormous, baby. Sometimes disastrous, man. He's where the fun is at.
Oh boy, breakfast! My first sugar rush of the day! Mom, my Slurpee Flakes taste different.
That's because they're new improved Slurpee Flakes. See? 37% slurpier and 89% flakier.
Blech! And 100% cruddier. If they don't taste as good, how can they be improved?
It's progress. There's no use complaining. Now, eat up and go play with your cousin. He's only here for the weekend.
Hi, Aunt Sharon. Can Ned come out? For the first time in my life, I wish it was Monday. Bundle, get away from him, you bird! I gotta play with Renford for a couple hours. I can't feed you any Zippo till he leaves, but you'll be safe from his cat up here. Hi, Renfrew. So what do you want to play?
I figured we'd have a good old-fashioned water balloon war. This pile is mine, and that one over there is yours. Get ready. Aim balloons.
Huh? Hey, look! Isn't that Pamela Lee Anderson?
She read my letters. Pamela!
I am big. It's the cats that got small.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little fleas, too.
Yo, I got your wolf right here.
It's an easy putt to the hole. Will Tiger simply tap it in? Nah, that'd be no fun.
My sister, my kitty, my sister, my kitty. I thought we'd have dinner. Then I'd take you to the top of the Empire State Building.
I'm not an animal.
The human body is 97% water. Say goodbye to the dry 3% with the Socatron 6000.
help me! Something's terribly wrong!
Wrong? You didn't mean to do that?
Are you crazy? Who opens with a king-side knight offensive?
You mean you've lost control of your morphing?
Oh, a little.
Oh, cousin.
Nettie, I'm all shook up! I can't even get the right Elvis.
Who's the Newt who's big with all the chicks?
I don't feel good.
Stop me before I become Ike Turner! Ich bin ein Sick Newton.
Oh, no! New improved Zippo. They changed the formula.
Help me.
Hey, mister, you sold me some new and improved Zippo. I want the old stuff.
Zippo Classic? Ha! They don't make that anymore. The new stuff is much better.
But my pet doesn't like it.
Progress, kid. No use complaining.
Hello, we're the 6 wives of Henry VIII. And we're the 2 wives of Elmer III. Did he come by this way?
Oh, Newton.
I feel my pain.
The factory. Here we are, Mega Brand's corporate headquarters. Hey, mister, I got a complaint.
He's as mad as heck, and he's not going to take it anymore!
This isn't the complaints department. This is the tour department.
Then how do I get to the complaints department?
You have to take the tour.
Oh,
Don't worry, it's a lousy tour. You'll have more to complain about. This is where we make our famous salsa-flavored toothpaste. This is where we make our famous toothpaste-flavored salsa. This is the 98th and final machine where we make our fertilizer-flavored yogurt. Any questions?
Yeah, who put the bomb in the bomb she bombed? Didn't they notice there was a bump in there already?
And can you get this crick out of my neck?
And that brings us to the complaints department. Yes?
I want information. Who is number 1?
I've got a complaint about this product.
Little boys shouldn't complain.
I demand an answer.
It's my lunch. Talk to the president.
Hi, Mr. Megasir. I'm having a problem with one of your products. You changed the formula for Zippo Newt food and...
That's progress, son. No use complaining.
You know what? My mom doesn't think I should complain. The pet store owner says I shouldn't complain. Your tour guide says I shouldn't complain. Even your complaints department says I shouldn't complain. But, mister, I came all the way here to tell you something. I gotta complain!
I like your moxie, son. You're right. We did improve Zippo. About the same time we improved Slurpee Flakes.
You make Slurpee Flakes, too? They used to be Slurpalicious. Now they taste like dead flies.
They weren't selling and we had a backlog of Zippo, so we switched the ingredients.
Well, switch them back, 'cause I've been eating pet food?
I'm Mr. Flemkin's lawyer at Plea Bullying. If you don't change these products back, I'll sue the pants off you. But not these pants. Could you please do a pair of brown slacks and a 47 long? If not, I'll eat this negligently manufactured cereal in front of a jury and expose its dangerous side effects. What side effects? You're bluffing. No, your assumption of my bluffing is bluffing. I am certainly not bluffing. No? Then I must be bluffing. No, wait. If I wasn't bluffing and you thought I was, but never mind. What's this?
I'd love to kiss you, but I just washed my face hair. I used to be so big. What happened?
I guess a career in the circus was inevitable. Fly me to the moon, big guy!
change it all back. You didn't see this, kid. I'll be ruined. This mega-billion-dollar corporation is all I have. What do you want? Anything at all. It's yours.
Ned, I just got back from the store, and look! Slurpee Classic. See, you can get things without complaining.
There you are. Close your eyes, Ned. I got a big surprise.
Really? Is the custom-built Mega Brands Corporation Super Saturator Salsa toothpaste cannon?
Huh? No.
Then I've got a bigger surprise.
Good morning, children. This assembly is to discuss next week's school pageant. So I'll turn the mic over to our new theater arts teacher, Mr. Sausage Steve Finland. Mr. Sausage?
First, I want you to know that even though I've run a Hollywood TV network and produced lots of movies about women in jeopardy and crippling diseases, all I ever wanted was to teach theater in a small, nowhere town like your own.
Me and Lummox are thinking of doing Robert Redford's home run scene from The Natural.
Rusty McCabe's rehearsing David Helfgott's breakdown scene from Shine, complete with a gut-wrenching performance of Rachmaninoff's Third Concerto.
You gonna perform, Ned?
Me? Right. I'd rather be torn apart by wild animals than stand on a stage in front of an audience. I just can't find anyone who'll perform in the pageant with me. I can act and sing and dance, and I've written a play just for the two of us. Why did I say that? I can't act. I can't write. I don't even have a play.
No problemo. You got a bookshelf full of old stories. Ned Flemkins, Humpty Dumpty. It is a far, far better omelet I go to than I have ever known.
I don't see Linda as an egg.
Or how about Rumpelstiltskin? I Fabi almost spill my luxurious hand to gold until I can guess my own name. Is it Ja?
I got it. Linda can be Red Riding Hood, and I can be the woodsman. And at the end, I get to carry her off in my burly arms.
Holy great plan, Ned Man. You'll need scenery, costumes, a wolf.
A wolf. Maybe Dougal? Nah. I could make one from paper mache, or maybe a puppet.
How would that work?
No, Newton.
What's his name? Okay, continue. Yeah.
I've blown this horn since I was in Cribsville, you know what I'm saying? Wait till the man hears me wail.
He said he heard better sounds coming when subway breaks.
He said he didn't believe my balloon poodle. Let us see what?
He called my fingering trite and superficial. You're next.
Zippo, right here, it's Zippo. All you can eat, have some more. You gotta help me, Mayday, Mayday. Talented people are going down like Titanic waiters. Ouch!
You don't need talent. This guy's from Hollywood. You need razzmatazz. You need hoopla and folderol. You need your little nudie boy. And all I want in return is a small part in your play.
Mr. Sausage Steve, I'm Ned Flem.
I'm his agent/manager, Biff Newton. Pleased to meet you. Sausage Babe, me and the Nedsky have whipped up a killer scenario, and you're our first choice to produce. It's got romance.
Whoa!
action. A timely warning for today's lonely shut-ins.
I've slept in a steel shark cage since watching your last play.
You may have the sausage man interested. Give me the one line.
Okay. Well, it's Little Red Riding Hood, the fairy tale. Everyone's read it.
I read a lot of stories. Sketch it out for me.
Okay. There's this little girl.
There's no girl.
What?
There's no girl. Continue.
But how can I do Little Red Riding Hood without the girl?
The kids know what this.
Picture night. Inky blackness. Total, overwhelming, abysmal nothingness.
I see it.
Woo! 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 We hear the unmistakable hoot of owls.
I hate owls.
Crows! Crows!
It's been done. What's that yellow bird?
Canary?
Yeah.
We hear the unmistakable hoot of canaries. Went out from a forest of pine trees.
Too piney.
Oak trees?
Robin Hood, what's that fruit?
Pears?
Okay.
Went out from a forest of pear tree steps. A wolf.
Women hate wolves.
Half wolf, half fish?
Too fishy.
Cow?
Cholesterol.
Chicken?
I like it. What's his name?
Red. Red chicken wolf. There he stands in the bleak urban landscape. Isolated, alienated, hungry. But for what? Chinese, sushi, grandma?
How about a pear?
I like it. It's edgy, but with heart. It's now, but it's then. Go, right. Oh, and work in something about these shoes so I can write them off on my taxes, huh?
Shoes, chickens, pears. I only did this because of Linda, and she's not even in it anymore. What are we writing?
Thou worriest for naught. This prose by any other name would smell as sweet.
Okay, Spaceman and Mr. T are blown back by the blast of a mighty jet engine.
Loved it. It has heart, action, a good arc. It has funny. We've built a street, kids. I think we've even put a house on it. All we need now is a few windows and awnings, and we got a home.
Huh?
Hollywood talk. One rewrite coming up. Great! A page one rewrite. I was afraid we'd have to do the whole script.
Remove woods, remove path, remove the word street. May be offensive to people who live on roads and cul-de-sacs.
Okay, Roy Hobbs, I'm gonna put these liver snacks on the bases. Don't eat them until...
You'll love it. It's Cosby meets Taxi. It's Alf meets X-Files. It's fresh and new, but with a trendy we've seen it all before ironic ethos.
Huh?
Hi, Ned. You didn't call me about rehearsals. Have it.
Ned, Bobby, let me handle this. Linda, sweetie, your part has grown, matured, blossomed into something new and big and exciting. Something too big for this play to contain. So you're not in it. Congratulations! Hello? Give me everybody!
Oh. Well, good luck, Ned.
Tough biz, kid. But we gotta focus on the reason we're here.
Linda was the reason I'm here.
Forestville, 2099. Night falls, bringing out the deadly hooting canaries.
Night has fallen. I hope I can make it to the Pear Forest wastelands before... Oh, they come out.
You dirty rat. You ate my grandma.
I am a humble but burly woodsman. So poor I live in this basket. Let me pass.
What's the password, 99?
Get it wrong and I devour you. Get it right and win an egg.
What a big white face you have.
Hold All the better to get in this invisible box when the dress shoe rain begins. Whoa, they're turning ugly. I know. Audiences love dogs. I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really sorry. All I wanted was to do a play with a friend. But I let someone else change all the words and the sets and the costumes and the actors until it wasn't my story anymore. Until it wasn't really much of anything. If you'll give me a minute, and if Linda Bliss is in the audience, I'd like to present our original play, Little Red Riding Hood. The night turned out okay, didn't it? Yeah, it really did. See you tomorrow?
There, we've seen the happy ending thing. You gotta amp the stakes. You can't fade out till the bad guy's been punished.
Okay.